Hi friends, welcome to Carbon Antidote. Now we are introducing here the mileage fuel kit. Okay, this is a fuel and doubles the mileage, and also it's improve the pickup and torque. There are many more benefits using this. It also cleans the carbons. It also prevents the carbon, and it enhances the vehicle smoothness, joyful of ride. Okay, so this is the kit. Now let's start this.
Yeah, it is the kit. It is having a coil, and backside is a tank which is filling with the water, and from this the kit will generate the hydrogen, and from the hydrogen it is connected to the air filter. Through the air filter we are reducing the fuel ratio and we are enhancing the hydrogen. So obviously your vehicle mileage will be doubled and pickup will be doubled and vehicle smoothness will be enhanced.
Thank you so much, friends. Stay tuned. There are many updates on this.